What's up, guys? They watching another video. Today is Christmas, and I don't know why I'm wearing a beanie because it's super hot outside. Look, we got David here. What are we doing for Christmas, David? We're not doing nothing, huh?
Alright, guys. Thank you guys for coming back to this wonderful channel.
It's wonderful channel. Anyways, today's Christmas, guys. This year, we didn't film no Christmas video. I think last year we did the Christmas tree on top of Hugo's car, and then we also wrapped my GT on a Christmas paper. But this year we haven't done nothing Christmas related. I wanted to put a Christmas tree on top of the 350Z and take it drifting somewhere, but like I said, it's already Christmas, and I don't know if anyone's selling Christmas trees today, huh? It's too late, bro. I think we're too late. We might have to save that for next year, maybe in the R8. The Christmas tree. Bro, I got a beard, bro. I can grow it. We're trying to film some kind of content for you guys today. I don't know what. We have Christmas wrapping paper. I was thinking of wrapping my hood again in Christmas paper, and I'm trying to convince David to wrap his F80 in Christmas paper too. Also, guys, look at it. We got all the merch. So anyone who placed an order for the 350Z merch drop, we finally got them in. We got hoodies, more hoodies, some t-shirts, and then the white t-shirts, which are sick, bro. These came out really sick. But yeah, I finally got all the merch. So everyone who's asking about the merch, guys, I'll be shipping it out Monday morning, I believe. Monday or Tuesday morning, the latest. And that's it. Finally, all the orders will be out and you guys can get your merch. I'm sorry for the delay. It took so freaking long. Again, it's not my fault, even though it is my fault for going to the same person again.
It is hot in here. I was gonna tell you.
But yeah, it's Christmas and look at him, Mike.
Look at his socks.
There's no way, bro. Well, we have a Grinch outfit. We're trying to think of something we can do for the video, but I don't know what we can do.
Let Mike drive it and just let him drive it.
I can't drive this shit right now. It's fucking so...
The Grinch is a little drunk right now. The Grinch is drunk and he can't see out the mask.
Drunk, you are right. I forgot about that.
I can't see out of here.
It's clean.
We should have did a video with the Grinch outfit. Mike, you have to be hot in this shit. Bro, imagine getting pulled over like this.
Where's the
It's
button?
right there, it's right there, it's right there. Right
Where?
there. In the
Show
middle, in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's struggling.
Guys, how funny would it have been though if we had this outfit and we went to like car meets or did something with it? That would be sick. I definitely gotta do that next year.
I can't see. Oh, you press it down like that?
Like that,
Is
yeah, like that. Look at him drive the GTR, bro. Yeah, this would be a funny video. We should have did it. I'm gonna let him drive the Z because he's never driven it before. Right there. Those of you that are wondering, the guy in the Grinch outfit is my brother-in-law. His name's Mike, and he's the guy that I always tell you guys in my YouTube videos who got me into cars. He had an E46 M3 when I was small, bro. I was like a little ass kid. I'll tell him to show you pictures right now. We had a Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3, and he's low-key kind of the reason why I got into cars, honestly. This shit don't start, bro. I don't remember the last time I started this car. Whoa! Well, I don't remember the last time I've driven this car, guys. There's no way, bro. Sit on the floor. This car still has no seat, bro. I'm gonna sit on the floor.
Where's my hat go?
You've never driven this car, huh? Mike, I was telling the vlog that you're kind of the reason I got into cars.
Oh, thanks.
We gotta show me your 846.
Where? How are you gonna see that?
Oh, it doesn't move.
How do you move it up?
It doesn't go forward.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear. So you gotta try to reach the clutch.
It's like, you're like 12 feet tall.
When was the last time you drove stick? Oh, the e-brake, my bad.
What?
You're good. When's the last time you drove stick shift?
Maybe like a year and a half. So last time I drove your,
Oh, the drift car? You driven that one? Or no?
No, I drove,
I don't know who you drove. I forgot.
one of your cars. Oh, it's another car coming.
It's hard to see.
Where do I go? Am I clear on that side?
Yeah, you're good. Bro, I'm literally sitting on the floor, guys.
What?
I cannot see anything. You're good. Oh, he stopped! You're gonna hit the curb.
Oh, God.
It's all the way like this and this way.
Oh, that's reverse?
Wait, what the fuck is that? The clutch is fucked. Oops.
What do you have on this piece of shit?
I think it's like this. There, that's the reverse, I think. There you go.
Fuck. Get out of it.
Bro, go a little Go fast. It's not bad, right? A little bit.
Yeah, it's a little piece of shit.
A little piece of crap.
Piece of shit, a little piece of shit. It was good, good. Hands are sweating. My hands are sweating.
Bro, I'm still sick, bro. Anyways, I wanted Mike to drive this car.
Yeah, okay, I'm going in.
I don't know how you're driving like that.
2 years I haven't driven stick.
You did pretty good though.
It can't go in reverse very well.
Yeah, the reverse is kind of messed up a little. Anyways, isn't it? It drives kind of good, no? A little bit. It's a little piece of crap, bro.
It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun, actually.
It's fun. We should have did a whole video like this, bro. Like, imagine we could have went to a car meet or something in the outfit. What do you guys think?
We should still go. It's still Christmas.
It is still December, so if you guys want to see a video with the Grinch outfit, comment down below. What video ideas can we do? Mess with people? I don't know. This shit looks scary to me. He looks like you, bro. We still have the 350Z merch, guys, that I'm gonna ship out today, like I said. If you guys want to cop one of those tees or hoodies, I still got a couple on the website. Only a few are left. So if you guys want to grab some 350Z merch, grab it down below. It's first come, first serve. Once it's gone, it's gone. But yeah, this car is beautiful, bro. I do need to take it out more and appreciate it more. We got the starter fixed, though, remember? All I gotta do next is slam it, lower it, because it's on coilovers right now. I just need to lower it. And then just throw the other seat in. And pretty much it's done and ready to drive. Yeah, it looks sick. Are you sweating? Mike, you have that picture of your E46? Look at this, guys. This really was Laguna Seca blue, bro. Carbon hood, carbon everything. That's so crazy. And during that time, it was like having an F80 on. Like, it was the newest one, right? I think when he sold it, the E92s were barely coming out. Like, it was that long ago. So, Mike was the shit, huh? The Laguna Seca Blue 26 M3. And it was supercharged. Right. That was a real Laguna Seca Blue too. I'm over here trying to wrap mine Laguna Seca Blue. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's my brother-in-law, Mike. He's the one that got me into cars, kind of. He's messing around with the Grinch outfit, but nah, he had an E46 M3 like you guys saw, and that thing was clean, bro. And I barely remember because I was very young, actually. Like, I honestly don't know what age it was. He used to take me to car shows in the E46. I know a lot of people ask me what got me into cars. That's kind of what got me into it. This thing around the block. I have not driven this car in so long. Look, we even painted everything, if you guys remember. It actually looks really good all black. I gotta get the seat in still and get rid of all this trash, but it looks so much better. Everything brand new painted. All nice, no scratch marks anywhere. This car is sick, bro. It's actually fun to drive. I feel like the clutch is like giving out, guys. Yeah, we gotta make this thing run perfect, guys. I've just been so lazy with the 350Z. I have no motivation to fix this car. You guys think, should I stop the 350Z? I just drove it right now and I'm just like, I just lost all motivation to build that car, guys. Like, after I got the urge to want to buy an F80 or G80 now, I don't know, I just lost motivation for the Z. Like, I wanted to buy the Z to make a bunch of content with, but I haven't filmed with it. I haven't driven it. Honestly, the last video I did with the 350Z didn't even do that good on YouTube. And as like a business standpoint for YouTube, we want cars that do really good for content. And I thought the Z would, honestly, but maybe I just need to film with it more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep the Z more, make more content? Or should I just get rid of the Z and get an F80? That's what I'm thinking, guys. Then I can have the F80 and the GTR in the garage, and I think that would be really sick, a cool combination. I can let the GTR rest for a bit, because I literally daily drive this car, guys. Believe it or not, guys, I drive this car so much that it honestly gets boring, which is crazy to say that. How does the GTR get boring, you know? But it does, guys. I think because I just drive it so much. So I think if I stop driving the GTR for a month or two, and I get back into it, I'll probably be super excited, and I'll probably feel super fast, too. Because right now, I'm just so used to it.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see